Myntri ke Tnat Pule Puthi Rakkam Sangma ula kentok juri ya ka VPP ke bala dawa ban penduk no ya ki Guidebook Jong ka CM Impact. Da ke ba ai jengmut ba kitu ki bom kuak ban pendon kam yaki kila ban thang bat bret yaki ha kepung yam. Kani ke jingkren Jong ke lawan hadian ke jing penpau ka VPP baki Guidebooks kila penhiar ya ke kerdan eksamen hadu baki eksamen ki sngo bakim don jingmut syu. Usangma ula kenok bagi seng ka don jingmut. Da ka babuk jing keli balai bermenta la kento ya ka jing penkiu ya ka jing pas haba ki jing sngo khia ki bermenshwa ki long shapang ka jing hiar ka result haba Ïada ya ka Guidebook ula ong ba kum kini ki jing kren ki pendu jaj ya ka jing persang Jong ki samla Pule ki betrish tom da ka jing bun ki kena skul ki bapendep ki examen mentau snem ka jing ka bakrau ka babuk ya ka sorka ka long ban penbiang ya ki haki higher secondary schools kamtam haki jaka nong kendong ki jingelang baki deputy commissioner Jong ki district labu por ha katayau banwan bantau ya kalenti banya chekmat.
It's a highly qualified man. I don't expect that he will come down heavily on the students. He will demoralize this because that kind of statement really demoralize, bring down the standard of our students, and it what you call it look down. It is what you call the undermine the hard work of the students. Look, district. We are meeting today also. Our officers are meeting with all the heads of institutions. I will be meeting the deputy commissioner of the entire district of the Gaudas region maybe next week. So we want to upgrade all the government secondary school to the higher secondary school.